Hey, I'm DJ Too Much with SixFigureDJs, and I have experience mentoring DJs all over the US and internationally. Let's talk to DJ Tim Phillips, and he'll let you know how my Six-Figure DJ program was able to help his DJ business. See how it can help yours as well.
What's up, everybody? I'm DJ Tim Fields from Chicago, from Feels Good Events. I've been DJing about 17 years. My family's been in the DJ business over 40 years. I met DJ Too Much through a good friend of ours, Kiki. What's up, girl? Kiki thought it would be good that we meet together. DJ Too Much was doing her thing in New York City. She saw what I was doing in Chicago, and she thought we'd be good to meet one another. My DJ career has really improved by working with DJ Too Much. DJ Too Much has helped me, first of all, be diverse and to learn really the cultures where I'm going to be DJing in different parts of the country, to adapt to their musical styles and their dance selections and things like that. With being from Chicago, there's certain styles of music that we appreciate or that my audience may be more familiar with. But if I'm in, say, Alabama or in Atlanta or Dallas, they have different styles of music that really hit home. And that's my whole goal. When I'm DJing, I want to hit close to home, get that heart, get those people moving. DJ Too Much has really helped me out with that, giving me suggestions and things and tips and best practices to really get the crowd going. Additionally, DJ Too Much, whenever I have a question or concern, not only just about music, but about the business, about how I can really transition from having maybe DJing part-time to full-time. She's really given me food for thought, and it's really helped my business accelerate.
Click the Learn More link and sign up for your free 14-day membership trial today.